Welcome to Voltiman. This animation illustrates a fully bidirectional DC energy and EV charging ecosystem designed to intelligently manage power flow between the utility grid, renewable generation, battery storage, and electric vehicles. On the left side of the system, power is exchanged with the utility grid through the AC substation. Instead of a traditional one-way rectifier, the system uses a bidirectional PCS, or power conversion system, allowing energy to flow in both directions. This converter can receive AC power from the grid and convert it into DC to supply the DC bus, or invert DC power back into AC and feed it safely to the grid when required. The DC bus serves as the central backbone of the architecture, interconnecting all energy sources and loads with minimal conversion losses. Solar photovoltaic arrays connect directly to the DC bus, delivering clean DC power that can be used immediately for EV charging, stored in batteries, or exported through the bidirectional PCS when conditions are favorable. At the core of the system are multiple battery energy storage systems, or BESS. These batteries store energy during off-peak hours, high solar production, or low electricity prices. Through their dedicated power conversion systems, the batteries can discharge energy back to the DC bus to support fast EV charging, reduce peak grid demand, or export power during peak hours, enabling peak shaving, grid support, and improved energy resilience. The system is also fully vehicle-to-grid capable. At the charging stations, DC Fast EVSE delivers power directly from the DC bus to electric vehicles with high efficiency. When enabled, EVs can act as distributed energy resources, feeding stored energy back through the DC bus and PCS to support the site or the grid during peak demand. Together, this bidirectional architecture creates a smart, flexible, and future-ready energy platform. It maximizes renewable utilization, stabilizes the grid, reduces energy costs, and transforms EVs and batteries from passive loads into active energy assets. This is the next generation of intelligent power infrastructure, designed and optimized by Voltiman for education purposes.